I mentioned the fact that our new file is now on the local repository. The commit is still a local command, which means that our file is not yet on GitHub. So to prove this, let's return to our browser. We should still be on our repository main page, so refresh or reload your browser to refresh the contents of that page. What you should notice is that we still have just the README file on GitHub. So there is one last step we need to do, and that is a push. So return to the terminal and type git space push space origin space master. This version of the git push command specifies the remote name, which is origin, which was set up for us automatically when we cloned the repository from GitHub, and the name of the branch to push, which is master, since it is the only branch we have. Now press enter. Since you are making changes on your repository on GitHub, the git push command will prompt you for your GitHub username and password. Once the push command returns, then we can check the results. If we did everything correctly, our new file should be on the GitHub copy of our repository. Let's verify that by returning to our browser. Now refresh the page again. Now, we should see our start.txt file listed. If I click on the file name, I can see the contents of that file as well.